As men age, especially after 60, their health needs special attention. Sexual health is an important part of overall well-being, but many men unknowingly make mistakes that can affect their confidence and quality of life. Today, let's talk about 3 common mistakes older men make about sexual health and how to avoid them. The first mistake is ignoring regular checkups. After 60, problems like prostate issues, low testosterone, or urinary difficulties become more common. Regular visits to a urologist can detect these problems early before they turn serious. The second mistake is unhealthy lifestyle habits. A poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, or drinking too much alcohol can all harm blood flow and hormone balance. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is not just good for the heart, it's essential for intimate health too. And the third mistake is relying on unsafe solutions. Many men turn to pills or quick remedies without consulting a doctor. This can be dangerous. Always get professional medical advice because the wrong treatment can make things worse. So remember, sexual health is not only about intimacy. It's about confidence, energy, and overall happiness. By avoiding these mistakes and focusing on healthy habits, men can continue to live strong, fulfilling lives even after 60.